Alright, I got something great today. This is the Lightning Grip Adaptable 22 loader. This is made from McFadden Machining Company. It's really good for the tactical 22 shooters. You know, anybody with the M&P or the Colt, the ARX 160, the SIG 522. You know, any of those tactical 22 shooters are really going to like this. It's a 22 long rifle loader that you buy different adapters. And I'll talk more about later what adapters for what magazines they have. I mean, they got a lot of stuff. I mean, this is really durable. It's made out of Lexan. That's actually what I do. My job, it makes Lexan. But it's definitely going to last you a while. Like I said about the adapters, they have adapters for the 1022, the M&P 1522, the AR 1522 conversions, SIG 522, the Smith & Wesson 41, 422, and 622, then the Ruger SR22 pistol, the 1911 22 conversions, like the Kimber, the GSG, the SIG, the M&P 22 pistol, the SIG Mosquito, and then the Colt M4 and the Beretta ARX 160. Now, one thing I noticed I thought was really nice is that all the directions are in color. Even when you open up the adapter pictures for each adapter, there's color pictured directions with it. And it shows how each stage should be working. You can see that. Alright, so what we're going to want to do is take your adapter. This is the M&P 15 adapter. But same with all the other ones. You want to take that top in first and get it lipped in. There's a button. You slide it in. And when you let off, if it's incorrectly, it'll slide back all the way. If it's not incorrectly, it'll just stay there. When you snap it in, it'll pop back out. And from there, all you do is open it up, grab you some 22s, put the lid and shake. Look at that. Lines them up all perfectly. Then you take your magazine, clip it right in. Super simple, easy to use. Very good on your thumbs. I mean, even these little 22s, they take a number after you load about 5 or 6 of them. But take them down, they line right up. Whenever your mag's full, there's a clip on the back. You just kind of press it to release it. It pops right out. Now you have a fully loaded mag. Here, throw some more 22s in here. Go at it again. Try to show you more of how it works. Now, same thing. Drop the mag in. There we go. Now we're full. Same thing, the release latch, mag pops right out. You see it lines them up just perfect. Thing's amazing. Like I said, these are really nice for the tactical 22s, but even the pistols. I mean, this is definitely a hand saver. And towards the end, like I said, you do 5 or 6 of these 25 and 30 round mags, I mean, you really start to feel it. Right there, 10 or 15 in a matter of seconds. Loads them perfect each time, doesn't kick them sideways. That's a full mag. You're definitely going to be seeing this a lot more in my videos, especially when I do bring out the M&P. But, let me know what you think about it. Like I said, there's all different adapters. 10-22 shooters. I mean, this is definite. Works for all the aftermarket mags as well. I see on their website they just recently added an M11 magazine adapter. If you have a magazine that they don't offer yet, maybe shoot them an email. I know they're doing a lot of R&D. They're testing out a lot of different mags to add to their lineup, but shoot them an email. Maybe they can work something out with you. There'll be a link below. It's McFaden Machine Company, mcfaden.com. Go check them out. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. See you next time.